Hi guys, welcome to Tech Geek. So today the question for the daily Leetcode challenge problem was minimum cost climbing stairs. That's an easy one. Basically, it's the same as jumping or climbing stairs or jumping the wall. So that's what the series comes up with. It's more of a DP problem if you think of it in a very interesting way, and it's quite a beginner level question. So give time to understand the approach. Try to code yourself rather than going with the code itself. Before beginning, I'd like to request you all to please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. For the batch of 2023, I have shared two upcoming placement sessions that are going to happen. One is the Lewis House of Code, and second one is Cisco hiring. Do see that that's quite good for you. It would be beneficial for you. Go register yourself, give yourself a chance, and if in case you need any help with the placements, OA preparations, interview preparations, do let me know in the comment with the company name. I'll come up with the genuine questions and even the Excel sheet which I have prepared for two companies. I'll be preparing it for more for you people. Now let's see what the question has. Okay. The question says we'll be given an integer array cost where cost of I is the cost of ith step on n staircase. Okay, so the ith step we'll take, that would be the cost. Once you pay the cost, you can either climb one or two steps. So whenever, let's say, you have these many stairs, let's say you have six stairs. Okay, initially obviously the person would be on the first one. Okay, first the cost was something x, you paid this x. Now it's up to you to climb to the first or second. So how you will decide to go with which one, that will basically depend on the cost of these two. So you will take the minimum cost because you have to pay. Let's say this was 1, this was 2. So obviously you will just climb one step. Why? Because you have to pay lesser amount. Again, now you are here, you can move here and here. Again you will compare the lesser amount. So let's say this time the lesser amount was 2 steps away. Same here. Now here you will check for the lesser amount. Let's say one is 0, other is 1. So you will climb 0, and obviously for the last you can climb 1. Okay. That's what you have to do. You have to check for the, if you are at ith index, you have to check for the minimum of I plus 1 and I plus 2. Okay. That's basically what they want to say by climbing this. You can start from index 0 or with the step index 1. Now this is also upon us. We have to compare these two. Okay, let's say this was also 0 initially for our case. That's how we began. If in case this was 2 and 1, then we'll directly begin from first one. You have to find the minimum cost of reaching the top of the flow. You have to reach here itself, this point. What is the minimum cost? You have been given two examples, 10, 15, 20. Again, see here. If we check, if we take 10, then we have to pay 20 also, that's 30. But if we directly pay 15, then obviously we won't require it. So that's what has to be understood. Okay, let's see this question now. Okay, we have 10, we have 15, and we have 20. We have to reach the top of the stairs. So why not to begin in opposite direction? We'll consider we have reached and we are going back and checking what is the cost, right? That's we'll do. That means we'll traverse the array from back to forward. Okay. We can take two steps, either one step or we can take two steps. Okay. And what is the current step that we take? So these are the three variables that we will introduce. Step 1, step 2, and current step. Now, current step would be the cost of this plus the minimum of these two steps, because taking the two steps we need to check which is minimum. So initially the minimum cost is 0. 20 plus 0 is 20. Now, on moving backward, that's traversing the next element. What we'll do before that, we'll make S1 equal to S2. So value of S2 will move here, again 0 will same, and value of current step will move here. So this becomes 20. Okay. Now current step will be cost of 5, 15 plus minimum of these two. Minimum is 0 again. So this becomes 15. Do the same thing. This becomes 20. This becomes 15. Again coming to the next traversal, this becomes 10 plus minimum of this is 50, so this becomes 25. Now no more traversals, so we will stop for the current step, but again the switching has to be done first. This becomes 15 and this becomes 25. Okay. The result will be the minimum of the two steps. So minimum is 15, so our answer is, this is order of n solution. Now let's see what the code is. That's simple. Take step 1 0, step 2 0, traverse in backward direction. Current step is cost of I plus minimum of step 1 and step 2. Step 1 will point to step 2, step 2 will point to current step. The minimum would be step 1 and step 2. That's order of n solution. If in case you have any queries, do let me know. Before that, keep following Tech Geek. Let me know in the comment box if there are any queries. Thank you.